Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Ranger and here is Ram. And in this video we are going to share the phonetic sounds of all the 26 letters. Yes, A, B, C, all the 26 letters. In Montessori education, instead of teaching letter names, we teach letter sounds, phonetic sounds. These are called phonetic sounds. Phonetic sounds will help children to blend these sounds together so that they can build words. Right, Ram? So this is the first step. So for example, let me show you. M, A, T. And once they start blending these sounds together, they can build words. Mat, mat. Isn't that simple? So first step is you have to teach your children the phonetic sounds of the 26 letters. So as you all know, I have been homeschooling Ram for a couple of years now, and I have taught him all the phonetic sounds, and now he can read these small bob books. These are called bob books. We have these CVC words in them, and Ram can read this book. So once we are done, sharing these phonetic sounds, it will be Ram's turn to read this book. And also I am going to share some of the important tips of how to teach these phonetic sounds to your children in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't miss all the important tips. Right, Ram? Yes. So without much further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so here is a most important tip is always teach phonetic sounds with the lowercase letters, because we mostly see and write in the lowercase letters, so it makes sense to teach sounds in the lowercase letters. So here are the 26 letters. We are going to share the phonetic sounds. Alright, Ram? And one more important tip is, while saying the sound, ask your child to trace the letters with their pointer finger and the middle finger. So this will help children to memorize the letter shape of the alphabet, and also they will start associating the letter shape with the sound. Yes? So when I say ah, oh, they will remember this is how you write ah. Okay? Okay, so let us start. This is ah. Can you write ah? This is ah. Ah. Okay, let us show this way and to our friends and then trace it. Okay? And can you tell me what comes with ah?
Apple.
Apple. And alligator.
Alligator. Ant.
In the word ant. Yes, in the word ant, the first sound is ah. Ah.
Ah.
Ah. This is ah. A for apple, alligator. This is b. B for ball.
Bug.
Bug. Yes, that's a good one, Ram. Bug. He's learning CVC words and he said bug. This is b. Bug. And ball.
Ball.
This is k.
Cat.
Cat. Very
Cap.
nice. Cap. Correct?
Yep.
Yes. Now, this is
D.
d. Correct?
Dap.
D for dad.
Dad. Duckling.
Duckling. Doll.
Doll and dap.
Yeah.
Dap.
D. Dad. This is egg.
Egg.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Yeah. And this is fish.
Fish. Fat.
Yeah. This is g. Gorilla.
Gorilla. Cat.
Yeah. This is g. Gorilla. This is h.
Horsey.
Horse.
Horse.
H
Hat.
for horse. Hat. This is e.
Igloo.
For igloo.
And also ice cream.
Ice cream. That's correct.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. That's your favorite? Okay. This is
J.
j.
Jet.
Jet. Yes. Jet. And jacket.
Jacket. Jet.
This is
K.
k.
K. Kangaroo.
Kite. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo, kite.
Very nice. This is
Lion.
correct. Correct.
Ladder.
Lion. Ladder. Yeah. This is
Monkey. Monkey.
Can you
Yeah.
say that again? How did you do that?
I don't know.
You don't know. This is
Monkey.
monkey. This is
Nut.
net.
Net.
Nest.
No, nut.
Nut. Yes,
Nut.
nut. This is
Nest.
nest. Correct. This is octopus. Octopus. This is
Penguin.
correct. This is penguin.
Penguin.
This is
Quack. Queen.
queen. Quack, quack, quack. Queen. This is
Rabbit. Ramchandra. Yeah, that's her name.
this is yes. This is rabbit. And
Ramchandra. I said my name.
yeah, in Ramchandra, the first sound is it starts with
This
Ramchandra.
is a different R and that's a different R.
Yeah, you names are usually written in capital R. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is small letter.
Smaller.
So sounds we are teaching in small letters. Okay? Thanks, Ram. And this is
Snake.
snake. And Sonia.
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 Sat.
Okay. This is snake.
Snake. Sat.
This is tiger.
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 Tap.
Tap. This is okay.
Hold on.
This is umbrella.
Umbrella.
Okay, don't see there. Okay.
Hold on.
This is this is umbrella.
Umbrella. This is
All right, Ram. You have to observe how I am telling the sound. Okay? How I am saying the sound. You need to observe. Van. And this is this is water. So what is the difference? V and What's the sound, Rama? V. Carefully observe how I am saying. Van. And this is water. Yeah. Show me once again. And V. What's the sound of the V? Van.
Van.
Yeah. Water. Or walrus. This is
X-ray.
X-ray. Correct. This is
Yeah.
Yo-yo.
Yak.
Yak. Yo-yo and yak. And this is zebra. Zebra. In the word zebra, zebra starts with z. The sound
Z.
Okay. Alright, Ram. We have completed the phonetic sounds of all the 26 letters.
Yeah,
right?
so much.
That's so much. Ram is going to read this book.
Mat. All the pages. Mat. Mat sat.
Okay.
Sam.
Okay.
Sam sat. Mat sat. Sam sat.
Okay.
Mat sat on Sam. Sam sat on Mat. Mat sat. Sam sat. The end.
Alright guys, I have already shared some of the how to teach phonetic sounds for like in a Montessori method. It's called 3-period lesson. I have already shared the links of these videos in the description box below. Please do check them out. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please hit that like button and do consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish my next video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.
Always stay joyful and stay humble. Bye.